Okay, in this video, we're looking at simplifying like terms. What are like terms? Well, they have the same letter of the alphabet or variable in them. So, or the same combination of letters. So let's look, what else would be a like term with 3x? Any other, this one here has an x in it. It doesn't matter about the numbers or whether they're positive or negative. Here's another like term, negative 2x and negative 1x. Those are all terms that can be added together. Y squared is one variable. Another one that could be added to y squared. I've got 5y squared. And lastly, I've got an xy. That's the same as y times x. So that's a like term, which is the same as x times y divided by 2. You understand, we are just looking at the letters that we can add together. So only like terms can be added or subtracted from each other. For example, at the bottom here, I have 3 x's that can be added together. So I can simplify that to 3x plus my y. There's no other like term for the y to be added to. Next page. So here are some examples of how we simplify so that we put the like terms together. So here we have 4 m's, adding another 2 m's. So altogether I've got 6m, and I've got the number 3 and a minus 1. So altogether I'm adding 2. In the second example, I have 2x just by itself. I've got 5y plus 5y and plus a 1y here. So altogether plus 6y and a minus 3 by itself. Number 3, I've got x's as a variable and I've got xy's. So I've got 6x plus 5x is going to be 11x. And I've got a minus 2xy and a minus 3xy. So altogether, I can have a minus 5xy. Remember, yx is the same as x times y. And in the last example, n squared, I've got 7 and I'm adding 2. So altogether, I've got 9x squared. Remember, we look at the sign in front of the term. I've got a minus 6n or a negative 6n and another minus 1n. So altogether I'm taking away 6n, I'm taking away 1n. So I'm taking away 7n. Okay. Now it's your time to practice. Stop the video and write down your answers for these. Check your answers on the next page. Okay, so you can check your answers on this page. I hope they're correct and go on to the Education Perfect exercises. Thanks.